That didn't slide how I wanted it to. That's okay. Got that. This. Then they came with this, I guess. What's up, guys? It's Danny. Back with another video. Today we're just gonna open up some Joy-Con. So it started off with me just wanting this game. It was Friday, payday. I was like, I want to go ahead and get the Skyward Sword game. I never did play this game. I think it was on GameCube or Wii U or something. Never did play it. Anyway, it's been remastered for the Switch in HD, high definition apparently. So, yeah. And while I was there on the Best Buy's website on the app, they had these in stock still, which I either forgot or didn't know that they made Joy-Con exclusively in celebration of this game. So I was like, oh, I need Joy-Con, because the ones I'll show you the ones I got. I like the ones I got, but there's a little caveat with the ones I got. And it came with some stickers, some decals for your phone, your iPhone. For some reason, not gonna use those. Just gonna leave them in the wrapper just to collect. Yeah. Set that off to the side. So here's the thing. I love the Joy-Con on my Switch. They're red. Now, unfortunately, I don't like talking about the past, but we're going to talk about the past real quick. Unfortunately, my cheating ex is who got me these red Joy-Con. That's why I don't like these but love them, because I love red. Red's one of my favorite colors. But every time I look at these stupid red Joy-Con, I think of her. I suck at Zelda games. I've yet to ever beat one. I get like halfway, and then I'm like either stuck or lose interest, or both. I do need to get back and play Breath of the Wild. I may just start that from scratch, just because it's been so long. It's been like 2 years since I played that game, and I probably don't even know what to do at this point. I'm probably forgotten by now what to even do. So I may just restart Breath of the Wild completely. Okay. So we're going to pull out the Joy-Con. And yeah, they do come with those bumper things I never use. You get two of them. They match. They're nice. They match. I'm going to leave them in the plastic because I'm not going to use them. There's no point taking them out. I mean, I still have my original ones that came with the Switch hanging on the wall behind me. Never been used. Look at this. These look nice. Wow. Yeah, that's that's an upgrade. That's definitely. Look at that. Beautiful. Quite the upgrade. Okay. So we're just going to slide these in. By the way, when the Switch first came out, there was a guy who put these. What was he doing? Okay, he was putting these on, but he put them on wrong, and he like slid it so hard where he cut his fingers like below the fingernail. And so every time I go to slide a Joy-Con on the Switch, I think of that. It makes me cringe. It was bloody and painful looking. But my goodness, look at that upgrade. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's get the Switch on. Okay. So it's paired. Just like that. Let's see if there's any updates. I don't think there is. System update. Nope. Oh, I guess I have to connect the dock to update it. Is there a controller update? Is that a thing? Huh. Anyway, they are working just fine. Very nice. There you go, just a quick video. If you want to see what all games I've been playing lately, there you go. This one's very dirty. Nin days. Extremely dirty. I can't believe it's on the Switch. Well, yeah. What a beautiful looking handheld. Love the new Joy-Con on this thing. Very nice indeed. And before we go, let's just open up this Zelda game. Skyward Sword HD. I don't think there's anything that comes in here other than the game, but let's find out anyway. So, gonna take the plastic off. It's just the game. Okay. Well, at least we know now. Cool. I'll go ahead and put this in and update it. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everybody. Apologies for my little rant about my ex. She doesn't matter. Alright, I'll talk to you all later. Peace.